video is solely made for education purpose and it does not violate any kind of rule or law. In this video, we are going to learn about population issues being one of the major problems of the world. As we all know, population has been increasing and today we are in the year 2021 now. Humans started to record population growth rate starting from 1800, which they found 1 billion starting from 1800s to 1930 and 2 billion starting from 90s to 1972. 4 billion starting from 1970s and ending in 1999, which led to 5 billion population. 6 billion starting from 20s and till now 7 billion was recorded until 2011, which was 2.1% in 1960s and added at 1.2% in 2011. Still, without a proper worldwide control and awareness, population has increased on larger scales. With time, population has become a human threat. If left unbothered, it could be doomed easily. Now, this is an example to understand the situation properly. Consider the world as the fishbowl and the people in it as the fishes. If we keep including the fishes in the bowl, the population will be visible, but not the problems it will be causing. So once the fishbowl becomes entirely overpopulated, it is imminent that it will destroy its own quality of water and it will run out of sources eventually. Looking at this example, we can say limited resources is one of the problems leading to proper justice of rights to the increasing family members and civilians. Next is ecological issues due to overpopulation around the world. Overpopulation has led to poverty issues around the world, becoming one of the major problems. Pakistan population issues is next. We are going to learn in this video. Pakistan population has increased to 22,892,000 people approximately, and Pakistan is expected to be one of the 9 countries where world population will be concentrated till 2050. Pakistan's overpopulation stems from poor government rules imposed by the leaders, still prevalent early marriages that lead to women giving birth from early ages. One of the major problems of family planning stems from older civilizations and ancestors that did not implement on strict birth control rules. Also that the governments of the past were illiterate and not aware of the population issues. Traffic issues can be called one of the major problems now, and population control is the question of the country. Poverty is also a question, but how it could be solved? It could be solved when there are different policies such as one-child policy or two-child policy. Also when there are proper family plannings by the laws and rules of the government. Solution: adequate laws should be imposed with certain restrictions by government and world organizations. The less the population, the less humidity in air to fresh and clean sites. Thank you. I hope this video will help.